Hey everyone, I said, all you cars, back again. We've got this 2012 Skoda Octavia VRS. This one is a 2 litre TFSi 200 bhp DSG model, finished in black magic pearl, with the 18-inch gloss black Neptune alloys. 65,000 miles, 9 Skoda services, 2 owners I think. Nice spec, very good condition, drives without fault. This one's got the front and rear parking sensors, as you can see there. It's got the adaptive xenon lights, which is a rare option. Most of these just have halogen lights. As I mentioned, the 18-inch Neptune alloys, which are all unmarked. The car is in very nice condition, as you can see. It is useless compliant. You're ready there for any checks that you wish to carry out. Again, we do all of the checks before we buy them, so no nasty surprises for you guys. Very, very nice. And there you have it. I'll show you inside. Massive boot on these. Absolutely cavernous. With the split folding rear seats as well. Parcel shelf is all present and correct. There are no funny smells, doggy or anything like that. Just a really clean, tidy load area. Inside we've got the VRS interior with the leather Alcantara fabric, all in very good condition. It does come with Isofix and the centre armrest. Got the VRS logo there. Rear electric windows, all functioning correct. And in the front, the same again. Really clean and tidy interior, with the VRS logos. You've got your 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the paddle shifts, leather door armrests, mileage on the vehicle is 65,174, as you can see there. And we'll just start it up for you. Due a service, we'll be carrying that out in-house, don't panic about that, that's all done, all included within the price, comes with a no MOT as well. Bit of steps on the radio I think that was, but there you go, no warnings, no nasties. Got cruise control as well just there. The Bolero stereo system with your auxiliary input, SD card, CD, it does MP3s as well. Working well. Down here we've got the dual climate control, including your heated seats. We've also got TPMS on this one, again another rarer option. Very nice in the centre with your cup holders and your armrest with your auxiliary input just there. Handbooks are all in the glove box, and that's about it. Super nice car. Very well maintained, very well looked after. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.